All right, what's going on? It is the 13th of February. So we're gonna get into something quick, real quick. Like, I know you came over here and you clicked on the channel, you clicked on the video. I appreciate you for clicking on it, and you seen that the simplest trading strategy that really works. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. Yes, this trading strategy really works, but the problem is you will have losses, and you have to understand that when it comes to trading, no strategy is 100%. It's all about probabilities, wins and losses. So this month, so far, if you look down here, I have my potentials. Let me make sure my mic is on. I have my potentials, and then I have my current losses. So it is the second week of the month. Normally, this one we find some good trades, but currently, right now, I am down 2 trades. I lost 43 pips on Euro Chef. I mean the USD Chef and Euro Chef. I lost on that one 39 pips. So it's okay. It's all about risk management. As long as you use 1%, if you just start off using 1%, your account is still in the positive. Depends on where you started at and how far down you are. All right. So with that being said, also before we move into something, we're gonna show you. We're gonna give you a little presentation real quick, and I'm gonna go over to my other screen. All right. Let me stop sharing this. And then let me go to my other screen real quick, like. All right, and let me see. Let me see if I can go here to my other screen. Let's see. My bad, I'm having a brain fart right now. So we're gonna go. Here we go. So this one right here. So if you're brand new to the game, all right, I was gonna show you. These are some ebooks that I have. A 1, 2, 3 forex playbook, simple rules. This was right here. This was all the trades I took in 2024, and it still works in 2025. All right, and you have the complete playbook of swing trading strategy, and I have a book right here, risk management plan for beginners. Then I have the other one from A to Z. It actually shows you from everything from what forex is, how to set up a broker, what is a broker, how to develop a trading strategy, a risk plan management strategy, and all these good things. So let's move on to the next one. All right, and also my Discord channel. And let me go over here to my Discord channel. All right, let me see. Let me go over here to my Discord. If you see in my Discord, I have my group right here, my Discord channel. The link is down below. It's all gas, no breaks. And if you look right here, my President of X, I tell you everything that I jump in. All right. As well as that, I have my screener. So I show you exactly, 3 strong buy setups, 2 time frame setups, things of that nature. I also post my wins and my losses. All right. So let's move on to the next thing. Let's get back into the chart. I know you didn't come to see my losses. I know you came to see my wins. All right. So I'm gonna break this down. All right. Let's go over here and let's just use NCD JPY. All right. So from scratch, what I'm gonna tell you again. All right. Go to this indicators, metrics, and strategies. Type in SMA. You're gonna use the simple moving average by stocks and box. All right, by stocks and box. If you notice that I say the same thing over and over and over. All right. So when you get up in here, you're gonna see all these highlighted. You only do the first one. You do 20. You do 20 close. You can type on this drop-down menu, 20 close. Make it whatever color you want to. Make it whatever thickness you want to, whatever the case may be. All right. So, and then you're gonna go back to the indicators, right? Type in ATR. You're gonna see true average range. True average range is gonna pop up down below down here. All right. And then you're gonna go to this cogwheel. It's gonna stay inputs. You're gonna do 5. I put 5 SMA. Of course, the time frame is the daily time frame, so I just put it on chart. Wait for time frame to close. All right, and it's gonna be down here. See this? What you call it down here? All right. So this is the strategy we have, right? All right. So what we're doing is we're looking at 2 candle highs or 2 candle lows. All right. And let me break it down once more again. 2 candle highs. That is for let me see. And 2 candle lows. All right. My two candle highs are bullish. Let's do buy signal. All right. And my two candle highs is for a sell signal. So yes, I'm gonna show you that in a second. All right. All right. Let me move this over here for you guys. All right. This is what we're gonna do. All right. Wait for candle to cross 20 SMA. All right. Completely. All right. No wicks touching SMA. That's it. All right. And we wait for the 20 to cross the 20, wait for the candle and the price to cross the 20 SMA. No wicks touching the SMA. All right. Two candle highs, sell signal, two candle lows. And right here, if you can see right here, I'm just going to show you exactly how to do it. All right. Now, here's another thing. For A plus, let's just do this. A plus setups, trend needs to be matching on higher time frames. All right. So with that being said, all right, so let me go over here. Let me pull up my handy dandy, and we're gonna break this down to the nitty gritty. I'm gonna bring this up to my forex chart, right? All right, and so let me get over here and let's go. Stop screen, and I'm gonna show this to you guys. Share screen, window, boom. All right, you guys can see this. This is my forex spreadsheet, right? On my forex spreadsheet. So what I do is I go to the forex screener, and what I do, I have all my pairs right here, right? All my pairs. So what I do is I make sure, like, okay, euro NCD, all right, 3 trend alignment. All right, that means I'm gonna look at this pair and then wait for my setup. All right, and I do this Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. Because normally it takes a few days for the trend to change or the thing that on the daily time frame, whatever the case may be. It might take 2 weeks. I don't know. All right, but I do it every 3 times a week. All right, it takes me about 15 minutes now. All right, but this is a good key indicator. Yes, I built this myself. If you want me to build something like this, or you want access to this, please let me know in the comments down below. Type all gas, no brakes, and I'll see you on there. All right, let's move back to the chart. All right, so plain and simple, right? Let me pull this up. Plain and simple. All right, we want to make sure the trend. So say on this one, the trend is daily strong sale, weekly strong sale, monthly strong sale on the forex screener. And let me show you exactly how to get to the forex screener, so I'm not talking crazy. You don't think I'm talking crazy. If you just hit this click button, this plus button, it'll come up. Let's go again one more time. Click this plus button up top. All right, it's going to come up with a new tab. All right, then you're going to see screeners, right? Type the screeners. It's going to say stocks, ETF, bonds, forex, crypto coins, etc. I only use forex. All right, so don't ask me about the rest of it. All right, you come over here and you type in Euro NZD. It'll tell you what it's looking like. On the daily, it's a strong buy. Weekly strong buy, monthly strong buy. So there we go. All right, we know, hey, look, this is what's going on right now. Of course, this was way in October 2024. So of course, if you look at it now, it's in consolidation. So even though it's saying strong buy on we're on a different pair anyway. So my bad. All right. So here we go. So let's go back. This is back testing. This is strictly back testing. Do not take this trade right now that I give you, because this, again, we're back testing in October 2024. All right. So if you look right here, all right, on that Friday, boom, it closed out. So guess what? We're going to wait. We're going to come back Monday. Boom, closed out. So what we're going to do is we do 1 for 1s. We risk 1%. All right. If you look down here, once you scroll on here, right, you got to have this tab open. All right. So if you scroll on here, it says 67 pips. All right, so we come over here, we do 674, 674. And the reason why I do 1 to 1s is because I trade a lot more pairs. So probability always works out in my favor in the long run. All right, here we go. So we're gonna go hit the sell button, and then we're gonna walk through this. Let's see, walk through this just like so. All right, let me move this out the way as we go. All right, so we entered the trade on that Monday night. So typically, this is everything on the daily time frame. So we're done. So we already got this. So, all right, so normally it takes 3 to 4 days sometimes for this stuff to play out, but it did play out the way we wanted to on the 1-for-1s. All right, so that's simple, plain strategy. I know I didn't do my rant today, but this is a simple, plain strategy that on the daily time frame. The biggest thing with this is it takes, let me stop this. It takes a few days and it takes patience. All right. If you can see down here, you have this also keeps up with the news. All right. So don't ask me if this works on any other time frame because I only trade the daily time frame. All right. I don't trade no other time frame. If you would like to know if this works on the smaller time frame, I suggest you go try it out for yourself. All right. That is my quick rundown of it. All right, again, thank you for if you've been following me for a while, hit all gas, no brakes in the comments. Let me know and ask me if this strategy works for you, how long you've been trading this strategy, how long you've been following me, whatever the case may be, hit it down below. And again, if you want the ebook of all my trades from last year, that actually is an actual playbook of a PowerPoint slide in a PDF form, in an ebook form, that you can go through on each pair that I traded. Like, okay, boom, oh, that looks like a setup. It's basically giving you the key and the keys to success. All right, a playbook. All right. Other than that, I hope you guys got everything. I did a quick rundown. If you need to know more in detail, I have other videos. The link will be up top or down below in the description. Other than that, you guys have a good trading month and a good trading year. All gas, no brakes.